You can now edit stunning videos without spending a dime, thanks to revolutionary AI tools. With these cutting-edge platforms, you'll be creating like a pro in no time, and we're about to dive into the best ones. You'll learn about the top free AI video editing tools that will take your video production to the next level, from AI-powered video editors to content generators. First off, ChatGPT is an AI tool that can generate video scripts and ideas, and a great use case is creating a compelling narrative for your video. A quick tip is to use it in combination with other tools for a cohesive workflow. Next up, Claude is a powerful AI assistant that can help with video research and organization, and it's perfect for finding relevant footage and music for your project. Here is a powerful one, Midjourney, which can generate stunning visuals and effects for your videos. And a great example is creating futuristic cityscapes for a sci-fi film. A quick tip is to experiment with different prompts to achieve unique results. Number 3 is DALL-E, an AI tool that can create custom graphics and animations, and a great use case is generating logos and branding materials for your videos. Next, we have Canva, a popular AI-powered design platform that can help with video editing and visual effects. And a great example is creating engaging thumbnails and titles for your videos. A quick tip is to use its vast template library to save time. Notion AI is another versatile tool that can assist with video planning and storyboarding. And a great use case is organizing your video projects and collaborating with team members. Here's a game changer, ElevenLabs, which can generate realistic voiceovers and audio effects for your videos. And a great example is creating realistic dialogue for an animated film. A quick tip is to fine-tune the voice settings for optimal results. Runway is a powerful AI video editor that can help with color correction and grading, and a great use case is enhancing the mood and atmosphere of your videos. Another notable mention is Perplexity, an AI tool that can generate video summaries and analysis, and a great example is creating video reviews and critiques. A quick tip is to use it to optimize your video content for better engagement. Lastly, we have Leonardo AI, which can assist with video marketing and distribution, and a great use case is creating personalized video ads and promotions. To recap, we've covered ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Canva, Notion AI, ElevenLabs, Runway, Perplexity, and Leonardo AI, all of which can help you create stunning videos without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And this is part 6 of our free AI tools series. So be sure to subscribe to catch part 7 and stay ahead of the curve in the world of AI video editing.